What's gonna YouTube? It's your boy LB and welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. I'm going to show you how to create this seamless smooth transition inside Adobe After Effects. Guys, as you see here on my After Effects, I have two clips, and this is the second one, man walking through on the mountain. This is the first one, cars on the road. So now the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to move this first clip behind this one too in this way, just like this. Okay, so now let me move this blue line here on the last of my first clip. Yeah, this is the second clip already. So this is the first frame of first clip, and they have to move it here to combine with this first one. Okay, so guys, as you see, I'm on first frame of this first clip. So the things I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate, Ctrl+D, and then click on this bottom one and let click go on the time, click or freeze frame. So after freezing this layer, and I have to move it in front just a little bit, and when you play, this is how my freeze frame it is already combined with my second clip. Okay, so click on this first freeze frame layer and then go here on this ellipse tool, and I'm going to mask. Yeah, I'm going to mask this tile because my transition will pass through in this tile. Okay, so go here on this mask on add and then choose none. So, and I'm going to resize this mask selection well, put it way on this tile. Yeah, to resize it well, depend how it is big. Okay, so and then after you're done, so go here on mask and you have to choose subtract. Guys, if you, I think you see my second clip over there. Okay, so now I'm going to move this point between these mask selection. Okay, so because when I will zoom, my zoom will pass through inside on this anchor point. Okay, so guys, the things I'm going to do, yes, let me move this blue line here, and I'm going to click S on your keyboard. Okay, on my keyboard. So come here to click on this layer, this freeze frame layer. Okay, so then press S on my keyboard. You see I add some keyframe, then come back here and where my this freeze frame is starting, and I have to zoom. Guys, you see this zoom is passing through on my tile. Okay, this is how my effect will be. That's so great. Okay, and this is how the effect is going on. So now, and I'm going to smooth my effect, and let me open up this mask and let me feather this mask. Okay, you see this is how I feather this effect. Okay, and then the things I'm going to do after, let me select this keyframe and right click on it, keyframe assistant. You have to smooth that, it is F9. Okay, so and then after smooth this keyframe, guys, when I play, you see how my effect is coming. Okay, this is perfect things. Okay, this is cool one. So let me try to reduce this size between those two keyframes, and then open this graph and make sure this graph it is in edit value graph, and then you have to select those points because I'm going to smooth by using these points of my freeze frame layer. Okay, and I have to smooth it in this way. Yeah, that's nice, guys. Okay, and very simple trick. So when you play, guys, you see how this smooth is coming. This is nice thing, this is nice effect, guys. Okay, yeah, this is better one, this is perfect. Okay, and then let me come back here on this timeline. Okay, we have been see how this effect is going on. If it is speed up, you have to increase the space, or if it is going slow, you have to decrease the space. Okay, maybe that is it. So let me close this layer, and I'm going to do the second task or the second example. And you see here, guys, I have also two clips. This is my first clip of this lady, and this is the second one, this wide. Okay, so, and I'm going to do same as once. Okay, let me move this first clip behind this first one, and I'm going to find the first frame of this second clip. Okay, yeah, this is my first frame of this second clip. No, this is my first frame. This is my first frame of this lady, this first clip on the top. So let me combine with this second one. Now this is the first frame of my second clip. The things I'm going to do, and I'm going to duplicate. Okay, to duplicate this first clip, and click here on the bottom one and right click, go here on time, and then choose this freeze frame. After freezing frame, you have to move front forward, okay, just a little bit, and you see how it is freezed. Seems like image. Okay, and then after freeze my image, guys, the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to mask, guys. On the first way, we use this ellipse tool. Okay, because in this task I'm not going to use like a cycle shape. I have to use this pen tool. So I have to select, or I have to draw the shape that I want my effect to pass through on it. Okay, so I'm going to use this eye. This eye will be better for this effect. Yeah, you have to mask it well. Yeah, that's an eye, okay. And then open up this mask. For this, add, choose none. Okay, and then, so let me try to zoom it well. I want to see it well, detail by detail. Okay, so guys, you have to make sure to mask it well, the subject you want your effect to pass through on it. Okay, yeah, I'm making a detailing of my masking. Okay, so now come back here on this, on fit, and then after making mask, so they go here on subtract. Yes, you have to choose subtract. Go, guys, as you see here, that is the second clip on that eye. Okay, so now select on this clip, guys, freeze frame layer, and let me move this anchor point between where my mask selection it is. So now click S on scale, and let me move this blue line here, okay, as a default where my first clip is starting on. Okay, so I have to add keyframe for scale, and then let me move back forward where my freeze frame is started. Okay, just here, and when you zoom, guys, you see I'm already get in other clip, but this is the first clip. Okay, because my second clip will pass through on my eyes in this way, just like this. Okay, so, and then I'm going to smooth. When you play, you see there is something which is remains for smoothing my keyframe, yes, to feathering my subject. Okay, let me smooth this keyframe, right click, and then easy F9 for shortcut. And then let me go here on mask, and I'm going to make feather for this first clip, this second clip, sorry. Okay, and then you have to select those keyframes. So in this way, I'm going to use this edit graph. It is the same. Okay, so you have to smooth this graph where as possible. Okay, so when you pray, this is the final result. This is how you can create your own seamless transition pass through in any subject you want. Okay, so in this video I used two tasks. The first task was the curl, the second one is this one. So now you can use any video you want, any subject you want. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below and let me know what you think. See you in next video. Peace, Eddie B.